purchased these Bruksbo padlocks in a hardware store where they also sell furniture and tools and stuff. And we got lock cylinder and lock body are both brass, self-locking shackle of hardened steel, made in China at a chain called Rusta in Sweden. So Bruksbo padlocks. Let's see if we can pick one. Works. Yeah, it's the same key for both, and this is the bidding. I chose this one because it had the most radical bidding. It's a 4-pinner. That's the keyway. So let's see if we can get this one open. I don't think so. Looking at that keyway, we have a very tight. The pins are actually resting on that ledge. So maybe we will have to use that one, which is a 15 thousandths euro hook. So let's try it. There we go. How about the other one? It's the same thing, and only difference is the size then. This is the 30mm. Let's try this one as well. Four, three, two, and 1. There we go. So that's the Bruksbo Chinese-made brass padlocks. That's what you expect from a Chinese manufacturer. Are these hardened? Well, no.